You don't need a year to change your life. You don't need some perfect plan. You don't need to feel ready. Give me 30 days, and if you follow this, you won't recognize yourself anymore. Right now, your problem isn't lack of potential, it's inconsistency. You start strong, then disappear. You make promises, then break them. Days turn into weeks, and nothing changes. But what if the next 30 days were different? What if for once you actually followed through? It starts with your habits, not 50 habits, not complicated routines, just 10 simple things, done every single day. First, wake up early, not because it's trendy, but because it gives you control. You stop reacting to life and start leading it. Second, move your body. Train, sweat, push. A weak body creates a weak mind. Third, eliminate distractions. Your phone is stealing your future. Control it, or it will control you. Fourth, do the hardest task first. The thing you keep avoiding, do it immediately. Win the morning, and you win the day. Fifth, read or learn daily, even 10 minutes, because the person who grows wins. Sixth, track your time. Be honest. Most of your day is wasted. You just don't see it yet. Seventh, keep your word to yourself. If you say you'll do something, do it. This is how you build self-respect. Eighth, sit in silence. No noise, no distractions. Just you and your thoughts. This is where clarity is built. Ninth, embrace discomfort. Do things that are hard, awkward, and challenging. Growth lives there. 10th, reflect every night. What did you do right? What did you mess up? Fix it tomorrow. That's it. Simple habits, but not easy. Because doing this every single day will test you. You will feel tired. You will feel lazy. You will want to quit. That's the moment that matters. Because when you push through that feeling, you stop being average. After a few days, you'll feel different. After a few weeks, others will notice. After 30 days, you won't recognize yourself. Not because everything is perfect, but because you changed. Your mindset, your discipline, your standards. And once that changes, everything else follows. So don't overthink this. Don't wait for motivation. Don't wait for the right time. Start today. Pick these habits. Commit for 30 days. No excuses. Because the person you want to become is built by what you do now.